Wait. What's the ult? Summon best bouncing forward, dealing damage and attaching a vibranium mark to hit enemies while refreshing spirit rend. I don't even know what am I reading. Okay. It's okay. We got this. We got this.
Yeah.
Watch me, Pamalo. Okay. We dash. Okay.
I'm gonna
be surprising
Like Tracer.
enemies with double space.
Yeah,
they
I
say.
guess like Trace, that's true.
Okay, so I gonna be
You got
like
this.
dash, and then punch.
Doing it. Okay, let's kill Tor.
There's another venom now. Nice.
Very nice. What is she doing?
Honkshu will not save you this time.
I'm crawling.
Are you real? No. That feels great.
They're not aiming at me. Let's go! Look at him!
Wow,
Look
they
at
got
him!
annihilated. Nice one. They got Thanos.
6 in a row.
Nice.
Wow, nice one. I'm here.
Okay. Do that again, right? Okay, double space to surprise the enemy. Yes, I read that. Okay, surprise.
Yeah,
Okay,
surprise them.
surprise.
Whee!
Jeff's on point.
Okay. Surprise. Whoo! Oh, nothing. Try again. Okay. You're going down!
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh, I'm in eaten.
I'm trying to kill him!
I'm coming!
I'll try!
I'm
Oh, I'm dead. I die on my own accord. Next time you go, woo! Can you say that's what I'm talking about after it?
That's what I'm talking about.
Yay! We're so good! Yay! I forgot we lost.
Let's
first.
go!
Another one. It's okay, we can just do the same thing again.
Yeah, do it again!
We just need to be constantly making noises
Yes,
whilst
yes.
playing and laugh. That's how we win,
Damage
guys.
buff.
It's our war cry.
Someone said, "Oh gosh, please never let this girl pick Black Panther ever again."
No! This should be your main!
He's doing great.
I think it's...
See?
They're saying it because they're scared of you. They don't want to face you in a
It's
match.
too good, right?
Yeah.
It's too good, right?
They're like, oh god, I cannot go
Yeah.
against Kyla. And she's get her in a rank. She's gonna beat my team so bad.
They're scared and jealous.
3.
By the way, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a notification.